Hi everyone, another one today. So I made up some new pouring medium. And all I want to do is really just test and see what it does. Torch. So all set. Now I'm going to put a little bit of white in there, not too much, but just to give it a little bit. This stuff turns thick very fast, so you really have to use it as quick as you can. Here it is. Then a little bit more of the dark. There's that. A little bit more of that. Now there's silicone in it and that pouring medium stuff. Let me take this one to swirl it a little bit. And put it on there. Whoops. And let it come out. Now that is pretty, what's in the cup. I like it better than what's on the canvas. But we'll see what happens. Well, not too bad. But it really is, when I made it, it was really thin, and now it's really thick. So that's something you have to watch out for. Let me get this. Wow, see the cup? The cup is beautiful. Putting that up here. I gotta watch out because I got new clothes on, so I don't cover myself totally in paint. My husband is really, alert when I do that. You got paint in your clothes again. I do. Just wanted to do this little thing real fast. But the paint really goes thick fast. That is something that you don't want to have. Let's see. Okay, it's all covered. Oh boy, I've seen it. This is totally nothing. This is, no, this is not good. Because it does not give you any cells whatsoever. And it goes really thick, really fast. Now I won't tell you what this is because I don't really want to, no, this is nothing. This is really bad. Look at that. Look at those tiny cells. They're like little pinpricks. That's not good. Let's do one more thing. Just maybe to give it a little bit of more of a chance, but this stuff goes so thick so fast. Let's see what, yeah, now that is good. This is just water that I'm putting in with the paint that got a little thick. Let's see. That's okay. Gonna put that in there. Do the same to this color. Okay. Swirl it up a little. And let's see what it does now. See, it does give a little bit of cell action, but you know, what you really want is that you want to torch it, right? Okay, that looks a little bit better. So I'll hold it up close. See that? That looks a little bit better, and that is because I really thinned out the paint almost to, oops, you're not in focus. Almost to a point where it was too thin, but then it did give a little cell action, so, okay. Let's do a swipe. I think that's all that's left for this, to make it into something I can use. There it is. Let's swipe with this. I'm gonna just swipe all over it. Put that on the side. Swiping, see, that is kind of cool. If it does that, that's okay. Well, I think you might just be able to use this for swiping. That would be good, because then I see all these cell things happening. Nah, this is not going to be anything that I'm going to be using. See that? See, if you're going to use this for jewelry, I'd say, okay, you can use it for jewelry. Let me wash my hands a little bit. And let me get some photo paper. Maybe I can show you something that'll work on photo paper. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, no photo paper. Sorry about that, guys, but I had to get some photo paper. Because I do have to just a couple of tests to see if it's something that you can do with photo paper. I'll put that away. Don't know, I might just wash that off a little later. It really, it stinks a lot though. It has a lot of odor, this stuff. Now let me clean that off. And swipe. See, that is kind of nice. But then it just does nothing. See, almost nothing. A tiny little bit there. That's not good. And this is a professional pouring medium. I'm not going to say which brand because I don't like doing that. You know what the thing is? Every company thinks they can make pouring medium, but they can't, because this isn't something that I really like. You know, you want to see those cells pop up like, oh, I got paint in my clothes. Oh well. You want to see them pop, and you want to see these cells, they have to stay a little bit round, and you don't want to have them like this. This is really ugly. Someone asked me to test this, and so I did, but I won't be using this. Look at that, nothing, just it's doing nothing. That is so weird. I've never seen anything act like that before. Even the gloss medium does more than this pouring medium. Okay, that was it. I'm done. This is not worth your trouble. It looked pretty nice in the cup though. I think this is more for the people that are willing to experiment, make it really, really, really thin, and just pour it over a canvas, and those cells will pop up, and that's it, because torching doesn't do much to this stuff. Okay, I'm done with it. So thanks for watching. If you watched it was just a quick test. Just wanted to do it. And I know how much you guys appreciate me showing the stuff I do. So thanks for watching. Love you all. See you later.